Yeah, this is the classic chicken going in.
Classic chicken. The bag sounds nice. No.
Can't argue. It's way bigger than a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Got the little bit of.
What do you think the ratio is?
Chicken.
What do you think the ratio is from this one to the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, Josh?
Maybe a quarter bigger. All right, whip it out for the camera.
This right here is the spicy combo chicken deluxe. I mean, you can't deny it's beautiful.
It does look pretty good, not gonna lie.
Better than the regular, I think.
Yeah, I would have
spicy?
Yeah, I like the spicy.
But I did get a pickle in there, so.
You get a pickle in.
Can't argue. This is good.
Yeah, the pickles look pretty good though, pretty succulent.
They're pretty
Plum
good.
pickle. Should I call them?
Bread
Doopy.
test.
Bread test, oof. That's pretty good, isn't it? It's good bread, isn't it? I think it's pretty big though. Like as far as chicken sandwiches go, like you guys are like
For the price?
It's pretty big.
Not bad.
How much was it? Like $4? Just under? Just under $4.
I gotta say, price beats Chick-fil-A. The size beats Chick-fil-A.
Should I be Chick-fil-A?
Taste does not beat Chick-fil-A.
So it beats Chick-fil-A what? Price and size?
Yeah.
You think? So for value, it's better, but not necessarily for flavor. Like if you're hungry, head to Popeyes. But if you just want like a good chicken sandwich, head to Chick-fil-A. Is that what you're saying?
For sure.
Nice. Have some of our
Always out, dude.
have some of our fellow chicken eaters over there too.
Think of it this way, guys. Try it. Even if they don't have it, just ask them when they'll have it. They had a truck today. Try it. They've had it all night.
It looked pretty good.
Final
I had
review.
fun watching you guys
What's
eat
the
it.
final review?
Final
Josh?
review, 7 out of 10.
From a range from skinny boy to fat boy. You gotta like 1 to 10.
Beefy, but not fat.
Beefy, not fat boy. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
That's it for today's episode. Y'all come back.
Today's
for the
episode
next one.
of
Fat Boy's running out on the Fat Boy food review.
See ya, Chief.
Nice.